guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is about some new virgin hair that was sent to me by a company called Binf. I think it's called Binf. And yeah, so this hair is really cute. I curled it up and styled it for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys an unboxing of the hair. Then I'll show you guys the hair and how I style it onto my head. If you guys are curious about the bonnet that I have on, this bonnet is from GLEEmade. So you can find it on the website. It's the extra large stretch bonnet. And then I also am wearing the baby hair scarf. So this is perfect for laying down your lace front wigs, securing them, and also laying down your baby hairs. So the scarf is on GLEEmade.com as well. Just look for baby hair scarf. If you guys like my lashes, these lashes are from Glam Room Cosmetics and they're in the style Hustler Baby. So I'll leave a link down in the information bar for the hair, the bonnet, the scarf, and the glasses and the lashes, so you guys can check all of that out. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you